Let's graph and find the properties of a circle centered at x equals 58 and y equals 58, with radius 56.
The center is the anchor point of the circle.
The center is at x equals 58, y equals 58.
The radius is the distance from the center to the circle. Step out by the radius, right, left, up, and down. These 4 points sit on the circle. A circle equation uses center shifts on the left, radius squared on the right. Substitute the center values and the radius before simplifying the signs. Now simplify the center shifts.
Subtracting a negative center coordinate becomes plus.
The radius is 56, so 56 squared gives 3136. Now we derive the related properties from the radius. The diameter is 2 radii across, 2 times 56 equals 112. The circumference is 2 pi r, 2 times pi times 56 equals 112 pi.
The area is pi r squared, pi times 56 squared equals 3136 pi.
So this circle is described by its center and radius.